Thank you, Madam President. My name was mentioned by the distinguished minority leader, and I confirm that I witnessed a portion of their conversation. I think present during that discussion, of course, the minority leader, Speaker Boji D, the Deputy Speaker, I think Hernandez, and the former Secretary of the Senate, Dong Mendoza. Nagkamali po ako ng paso kasi I was about to attend a board meeting in the same area, and nakita ako nung tao ni Senator Soto. So napasok ako, sabi ko, "Ops, mali pala. Ano bang ginagawa niyo rito?" So, ang unang tanong sa akin, tama-tama kasi pag-uusapan namin na kung sakali magkaroon ng charter change, baka pwedeng request ng Speaker of the House kung pwedeng increase yung number of senators to 36 from 24. Ang naging role ko naman doon, kasi tama-tama, ilan ba yung kwarto doon sa Senate building? Sabi ko, 65, kasi yun ang request ni Senator Pimentel at that time. He was also thinking of increasing the number of senators. So, 36 lang kailangan. So, after that, and I confirm na probably ako yung sinasabi ni Lito Banayo na source, because immediately or the following Thursday, we used to have this Thursday eating club attended by Lito Banayo, Gringo Hunasan, and several other personalities. Some former senators, former congressmen, incumbent congressmen, sometimes Governor Rudito Albano would be there, ex-Congressman Suplico, and several others. So ako naman, walang wala naman seryoso sa pag-usapan. So I shared, sabi ko, kanina pala nung Monday or Tuesday, sabi ko na napapag-usapan na i-increase yung number of senators. So parang kwentuhan lang yon. Kung seryoso yon, hindi ko ikukwento kasi sensitive kung seryoso. And I also confirm the manifestations of several of my colleagues in the minority na never naming napag-usapan yan in as many caucuses that we held or we had in different places. Ang pinag-uusapan po lang namin, Madam President, kung paano natin isasalba yung integridad, yung dignidad, yung reputasyon ng Senado. Wala po kami ibang pag-uusapan na kaya kami magpaplano na mag-take over sa Senate leadership, para sa CONAS. Never. I confirm their earlier statements, Madam President. So, kanina nabanggit ni Minority Leader Tito Soto na ang unang press statement ng ating distinguished Senator from Ilocos Norte, kaya raw babaguhin yung age of qualification. Itataas daw from 40 to 50 para ma-disqualify si VP Sara kasi hindi pa siya mag-50 in 2028. Baligtad po ngayon ang sinasabi. At baligtad doon sa katotohanan, dalang narinig ko usapan nila, ibababa yung age ng mga senador, hindi po si Presidente. Mga senatorial candidates, ibababa from 40 to 35. Nagbiro pa nga ako, ng Presidente, I mean, nagbiro pa nga ako, sabi ko, partner, para ba kay Vico Soto yan? Nagbiro pa, in jest, of course, Mr. President. Madam President. Yun po yung takbo ng usapan. So, paano nabuo yung istorya? Nakatakot-takot pa yung mga video. Wala pong katotohanan. Kaya nung na-interview po ako ng media, sabi ko, outright lies, flat lies. Kasi hindi po totoo na napag-usapan doon na itaas yung edad, yung qualifying age, pagtapo ng Presidente sa Vice Presidente from 40 to 50 para ma-disqualify. Nothing could be farther from the truth, Madam President. So with that, I support the motion of the former Senate President, former Majority Leader Mig Subiri, na to strike off the record yung mga portions na offensive sa mga kapwa natin senador, Mr. Yeah, minus the whole video. I support that motion, Madam President.
Thank you, Senator Lacson. We recognize